There are several questions that guys with premature ejaculation ask themselves constantly. Am I ejaculating too quickly? Does my girlfriend think I'm a joke because of my sexual stamina? Why can't I control this, and will I ever be able to last longer in bed? If these are questions that you are asking yourself, then you're in the right place, because what you are about to read is going to put your mind at ease. It is a fact that around 40% of men don't think that they last long enough in bed. Some have it so bad that they actually ejaculate at the moment of penetration. Here are a few questions that we can answer for you concerning premature ejaculation. What's the average performance time during sex? The average duration most men last during sex is between 5 to 10 minutes. Most men who fit this criteria are closer to 5 minutes. When you take into consideration that most women require an average of 15 minutes of vaginal penetration to successfully experience an orgasm, 5 minutes is definitely not acceptable. With that being said, most women are not able to experience the full benefits of sensational pleasures that making love has to offer. Is longer always better? It certainly doesn't hurt to be able to last as long as you want to during sex. At the end of the day, you only need to last as long as it takes to give your woman an orgasm. Your premature ejaculation issue doesn't have to get in the way of your woman's orgasm, because there are many different ways to bring your woman to climax. Different methods include foreplay, oral sex, and even mental seduction is known to cause women to experience an orgasm. As long as you allow her the ability to experience enough sexual stimulation to reach orgasm, the amount of time you spend penetrating her will never even matter. If you are going to take anything away from this answer, it's this. Take your time during foreplay and make sure you bring her to climax before intercourse. This will put you ahead of 99% of the pack, even if you aren't even capable of lasting more than a minute. Need some time-sensitive advice? Have you ever heard of the saying, "Don't go out with a loaded gun"? Well, this is one that you certainly need to take into consideration. If you masturbate an hour or two before you plan to have sex, you will release most of your sexual tension. In other words, the sensory receptors on your penis will become less responsive, and it will take longer to stimulate yourself to the point of climax. This is a popular method used by several men. This method is something that can significantly improve your stamina. There are several men suffering from premature ejaculation. If you feel like you're someone who could never improve in bed and will never fully satisfy your woman in bed, then you didn't read this article close enough. There is a way to bring your lover to orgasm. You just need to be willing to put the time and dedication in, not only for her, but for yourself as well. Being able to last for more than 10 minutes after penetration is possible only if you want it for yourself. The average man lasts 5 minutes, and the average woman requires 15 minutes of stimulation to reach orgasm. Premature ejaculation is a psychological issue that is rooted all the way back to puberty. You just need to reprogram how you interpret and control your levels of arousal. Doing this takes time, but it is much more effective than relying on sprays and pills. You could end up spending anywhere from $15 to $150 on some of the several products out there that promise longer-lasting sex. The problem with these products is that they just mask the rooted issues that are responsible for premature ejaculation, forcing you to create a dependency for these products. Don't make good sex a continuous financial investment. Naturally treating the issue is what allows you to permanently last longer without relying on expensive products.